Hello everyone, and today we'll talk about what's the difference between the words whoosh, swoosh, and swish. All of them can act as both nouns and verbs, and they refer to quick sounds. Well, let's try to explain these quick sounds, the difference between them. Whoosh. Whoosh is about rush sounds. For instance, like a rocket or missile flying in the air, or you can say a bullet just whooshed beside my ear, an arrow just whooshed beside my ear, and so on. Rush sound. Swoosh. Swoosh is more about shapes, and it's a sweepy-like sound. You can say that you can feel it when you look at some shapes. For instance, the Nike logo. It describes this sweepy, swooshy sound in its image. And swish. Swish is more about swift, smooth, and soft sounds. For example, you can say a dog or a horse swishing its tail backward and forward. Or you can say a hoop rotating. It's like a swish sound, making this swish sound. Or perhaps you can see a rope in the air that also can make this swish sound when moving backward and forward. So that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.